Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to make a website a PDF. Let's go to our computer. And we're going to need some software to do this, but it's free. Just open up your Internet Explorer and go to google.com. And we're going to do a search for a program called a Primo PDF. It's primopdf.com. This is a free download, and it basically, if you get the free version here, they also have a paid version that lets you edit PDFs. But download the free version, and that will add a printer to your system. That's basically not a real printer, it's a software printer that will allow you to print any Word document or any web page that you're at, any Excel spreadsheet. It will allow you to actually print it to a PDF file. So let's, for example, let's just go ahead and do this website that I'm on right now. I want to just go to print. And actually I wanted to use the little drop down and select print. That way it'll allow me to choose the Primo PDF printer. I want to click on Primo PDF. And it will now start off a print job. In a moment it's going to ask me where I want to save my PDF to. Just click yes on any kind of pop-up that comes up. Now it's going to ask me where I want to save it to, and it defaults to your documents and myprimopdf.pdf. I'm just going to rename this to website.pdf. And then click on Create PDF. Now it's actually going to create that PDF for us, and once it's done printing, it will appear right there in my documents. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to make a website a PDF.